From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Friday, State College. It's Friday, which means you made it through yet another week, and now you get to enjoy your weekend. Speaking of this weekend, it's going to be pretty warm this weekend. Temperatures will continue to be above average. Not quite as warm as they are today, but still above average for this time of year. We'll keep the dry weather throughout the weekend too, but if you look here, we might be seeing some rain by early next week. If that does come to fruition, well, we be much beneficial given that most of the Commonwealth is in an area of drought, which I'll show you in just a minute with the drought monitor. Though I did say that temperatures will be above average for this weekend. Saturday and Sunday we'll see highs in the mid-70s. Sunday may actually be the only day where we're around average, given our average high is 71 degrees. And then the rest of the week into midweek, we'll see temperatures slightly above average, but not as warm as they are today. Now here's a look outside of Beaver Stadium. Beautiful day, clear blue skies. Too bad it's not a football game this weekend though, but hopefully this gives the team enough chance to rest up and prepare for the big whiteout game next week against Oregon. Sitting at a temperature of 82 degrees this afternoon with a little bit breezy out there with the wind of around 9 miles an hour. Now here's the drought monitor. This just came out yesterday and we saw quite a bit of expansion across the western portion of the state and a little bit across the southeast, though I think the rain that we got this week in the southeast is not reflected on the drought monitor because the cutoff here for this is Tuesday for the data. So a little bit of expansion in the west and a little bit in the east too. Be interesting to see what this shows next week, especially if you do get some rain. Here's the current satellite radar, just a few scattered cumulus clouds across the southwestern portion of the state. But overall, things are pretty clear and dry, and this is due to the influence of this area of high pressure. We do have a very weak cold front that will drop the temperatures just a smidge tomorrow. But this is all connected to a storm system out here in the west, and this is what we're watching for some possible rain next week. This will be slowly moving its way towards the east. It's pretty much stuck here right now because of the influence of a high pressure often right over our region. But as the high lifts off towards the north, this will slide in and might be seeing some rain next week. Tomorrow, though, skies will just see a few clouds, but otherwise it'll be mostly sunny throughout the day. As we get throughout lunchtime, we'll see skies mostly sunny, maybe a few clouds, especially get towards the west. Be interesting to see if there's any rain at all in the southwestern tier of the state. If they does make it there, that will be greatly appreciated, as again, that's probably like the worst area in terms of drought for the state. Now as we move on to the rest of the week and into next week, you can see a few showers making their way Sunday, but Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday are the days that I'm watching for with the potential for some rain. This model is showing quite a bit of rain by Tuesday evening into Wednesday, and if this does come to fruition, again, being greatly appreciated and help alleviate those drought concerns. But bringing it back to tonight, forecasting a low of 53 degrees with clear skies, a little breezy but not too bad of a night. Don't forget that sweatshirt though if you are headed out tonight. Tomorrow we'll drop those temperatures just a little bit, but we'll see Mr. Sun still out with a high of 78. And then as we look at that 7-day forecast, we'll keep those beautiful conditions tomorrow and Sunday, but the clouds starting to build in as Monday and Tuesday. We see that potential system with some rain. Tuesday looks like the best day for some rain, but again, Monday through Wednesday are the 3 days I'm really watching for in terms of rain. And then Thursday and Friday we'll drop those temperatures around average, but we'll keep those clouds in the sky.